guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a simple pink dip powder nail tutorial. You want to start off with a gentle file and filing off any natural shine in preparation for the nail tips. This will not only help with the adhesion of my tips but my dip powder also. Now I'm pushing back my cuticle, which is important as it prevents lifting later on. I'm cleaning my cuticles with my portable e-file and taking off all the dead skin. This helps in the prevention of lifting as well. This is my non-dominant hand, by the way, that's why I'm looking so awkward. These are the tips that I will be working with today. I'm also using Super Nail Clear Acrylic, Kiara Sky Medium Pink, and Mia Secret Ice Cream Pink. You can get all of these from Amazon. I applied my tips off camera, but when applying tips, please ensure that the tips fit perfectly to your nail. Never go a size down, cause that leads to air pockets, which can lead to lifting. I'm trimming the tips to my desired shape and filing. It's very difficult filing with your non-dominant hand, but practice makes perfect. I'm not quite there as yet, but soon I'll be. I file the sides of the tips as well as the surface of the tips to remove shine. I also file the part where the tips meets the natural nail, cause I do not want there to be a ridge between the tips and my natural nail, which can lead to an uneven dip application, and we do not want that. And now we can move on to the dip powder. Now the first thing I'm doing is taking my Kiara Sky bond and applying it to my natural nails only. This ensures that my nails are dehydrated in preparation for the base. As you can see, I already have my clear acrylic and Kiara Sky base ready to go. So I'm using my base to the connecting line between my tip and my natural nail. This helps build the structure of my apex. Then I quickly dip it into the acrylic at a 45-degree angle, leave it in for a few seconds, pull it out and tap off the excess back into the jar. Then I brush off the excess. Always keep a brush handy when dealing with dip powder. Next, I'm applying base to a little more than 3/4 of the nail but less than the whole nail. Then I quickly dip it into the clear acrylic at a 45-degree angle, leave it in for a few seconds, pull it out and tap off the excess back into the jar and then go again. I go back in and apply base to the whole nail, ensuring to stay a hairline away from the cuticle area. And I dip it into the acrylic at a 45-degree angle, leave it in for a few seconds as usual, tap off the excess, and then go again. Next, I have my Kiara Sky medium pink acrylic powder, and I'm starting a hairline away from the cuticle area. Dip it into my powder at a 45-degree angle, pull it out and tap it off as usual. I do this for all the nails except my ring fingernail. That is going to be my accent nail. In retrospect, I should have used the dark pink instead. Although the medium pink was nice, the dark pink would have been more pigmented, but it was beautiful nonetheless. Yeah, so round 4, I repeat the same step with the Kiara Sky pink. Honestly, this might seem like a really long process, but it really flies because I have fun while I'm doing my nails. It's therapeutic, so it doesn't really take that long at all. The process, although, is very messy, so just be sure to have a lot of napkins on hand to clean up. Now it's time to do the accent nail. I'm using Mia's Secret Ice Cream Pink from the Fruity Nail Collection. I'm in love with these colors from Mia's Secret. They are so beautiful. So I start a hairline away from the cuticle, but I can't dip with this one. So I use my cuticle pusher and I pour the acrylic onto my nail. Although I did try to dip my nail into the container, but it's way too small, so it was way too uncomfortable. Now I dust off the excess powder and apply another layer of the Kiara Sky base. Then I try to dip my nail into the Mia's Secret container. And I brush off the excess. So now I'm encapsulating all the nails with my Super Nail Clear Acrylic. I apply the base to the whole nail, dip the nail into the clear acrylic powder at a 45-degree angle. I tap off the excess powder. Now onto the accent nail. So I apply base to the whole nail and then I use my cuticle pusher to pour the clear acrylic onto my nail. So now it's time for Seal Protect. This will harden the powder and seal all the coats I just applied so that I could move on to filing and buffing. Be generous with the amount of Seal Protect that is used because it's crucial to ensure that the nails are hardened. I usually wait about 5 minutes before I start filing. To test whether your nails are ready for filing, What I usually do is tap my nails with my cuticle pusher. If it makes a sound when I tap it, that means it's hard and it's ready for filing. If it sounds soft, then don't. I repeat, do not start filing because chunks of nail would be off when you're finished. It has happened to me once when I just started using the dip system. It was horrible. So I filed and buffed my nails off camera. Now I'm applying my second coat of Seal Protect. Next, I'm taking an alcohol pad to remove any excess Seal Protect in preparation for my top coat. Next, I'm applying my Kiara Sky top coat to my nails. This is the fourth step in the dip system. Now I'm trying to apply my second layer of Kiara Sky top coat. But what you're seeing here is the brush applicator in my top coat has hardened on me. So I had to switch it with my brush saver one. The brush saver is used to clean the brushes between applications and help to dissolve leftover powder that may be stuck in the bristles. Now it's time for the fifth and final step in the dip powder system, which is the Nourish Oil. This oil smells so good and I need it after all the filing and buffing I did. Sorry for my hands being all up in your face like that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please comment. Let me know your feedback and have a good day. Bye.